Welcome to Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a developing country. RMG sector is the key source of foreign currency and GDP for Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the third largest exporter of garments after China and Vietnam. Epyllion Group is one of the renowned names in RMG sector. Epyllion Group started its journey as a house of ready-made garments in 1994. Now they export their products in Europe, America, and Asia. Epyllion Group have a young and dynamic team. They are helping to produce products for national and international markets. It has its own garments factory, textile unit, testing laboratory, washing and accessories unit. So far, they own lots of awards. In 2015, they launched their own Bangladeshi clothing brand, 𝘛𝘢𝘮. It's a local brand of high-end clothes and accessories for men and women. All the clothing items which is selling at 𝘛𝘢𝘮 stores are made from their own factory. The brand is offering a wide variety of options with ready-to-wear in both formal and casual outfit. With their extraordinary designs and fine quality, they are winning the hearts of fashion-loving people.